With that car?
Oh, you hear the car was revving earlier.
Huh?
I said you heard the car was revving earlier.
Yeah, it was.
No, that was the turbo. It went.
I said, what the heck?
What the heck? What?
I said, what the heck, Zo? I said, damn, Zo.
Hey, fat boy. No, tell him what type of whip this is. What type of car?
Yeah, boys. I got this Q50 at my brother's house. And we had to have, Papi Dodo have, take the Ultima. And we got the motor. Check it out, my y'all boys. Check it out, y'all boys. I got that Q50.
That's not no Q50. What this is? That one right there.
That car?
Yeah.
Tell me.
It's a Q60.
Q60, y'all boys. And I got that beast. I got that motor right there. And hey, look at the tint done. And look at this. Bro, booty. And we trying to fix it tomorrow.
Wait, hold on. Yo, this your boy Straight Drop checking in. Currently with another video. About to show y'all my Q50 Redsport. Take a look. There go my Q50 Redsport. Q50 thing. Let's see it. I'm about to show y'all where the damage is at. The damage is right there. That shit took a nice, good hit in the front, but it ain't really too major. It just brought this little, I don't know what you call that shit. Yeah, you see, no, how should I say, just a little damage. Like, it's kind of big and little at the same time. It just brought down the upper chassis leg down. You see? And the second damage is right here. It took a nice hit from the post. Like, it's kind of big and little at the same time. But let me pop the hood and show y'all. There go the damage right here. You see how the chassis leg just go down? Because it's supposed to be up like this right here. And just slightly shifted the bar right here. The rebar took a nice hit like right here. Everything just happened right here. And the suspension was completely gone. There was no wheel. So this is why this caliper gray, because there was nothing there right there. Let me get the jumper box, trying to crank it up for y'all. Alright, it's warming up. It warmed up a little bit. About to give y'all quick little revs. Put on sport mode. Matter of fact, sport plus. This is a real Redsport. Like, ain't missing no pages. Alright, let's get ready. Hear the turbo spooling. Alright, about to put on standard. Alright. Look at the carbon fiber trim I got. carbon fiber AC vents. Y'all see it? I see the red stitching right here, boy. Like, this a real Redsport. Like, everything red stitching, not missing a stitch nowhere. Like, nowhere, literally. Like, let me get the camera to focus. Nowhere. Diamond stitch seat, my boy. Stop playing. So, like I was saying, like, this Q50 right here gonna be real serious when it come out. So it's gonna be like 1 of 1. Like, once you see that Q50, you gotta get out its way, make room. That's gonna break necks. So I ain't gonna give y'all too much spoilers. Just know, stay around, tap in, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more updates on the Q50. Shit, I'm out. This is going straight drop. Checking in with the Redsport. It's currently here right now. Currently moving and shit like that. For the meanwhile, I'll get this shit fixed. Out of the suspension. Yes, sir. So there, the 50 right there, Redsport. You know, we couldn't do with no tags out there.
How you doing, sir? Can I be part of your vlog?
How you know?
Hey, what is your Instagram name?
Mr. Straight Drop.
Mr. State Drop?
Damn, niggas about to tell you about this Max right there, boy. No miles on that bitch, 59. Get it? That's sorry with the with the diamond stitch suede with the black top, man. Like, bro, you see how we wooling out here, so. That's with the 23. About that. So stay tuned. Redsport about to be in the biddy. So don't lay it down. I thought lay around. Little slight hit right there. Q50. The Maxi SR Reds. You never seen that on the Redsport, boy. Q50 again. See all these lights, all that shit about to be gone. Shit. Niggas clearly whipping it. Swap out the airbag, get that shit all swapped out. Swapped out the whole dash already. Change out this door panel right there. This is an older Redsport door right there. Shit looking all brand new and shit. Can't swear. Let me see this shit will spin. That shit ain't spinning. this shit ain't spinning, man. All this fuck shit in the streets right now. Shit on T limp mode right now. Smashing on the gas, I ain't going nowhere. Get all that shit sorted out. That shit gonna be on the street brand new. Ha ha.